welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we are building an RC scale garage just for the drift car so that this thing looks absolutely mint when on display. This is just an example of what we are going for. It really is a rough sketch, guys. So garage door, main door, piece going across the front again to reinforce. The top's going to be open with just some laths going across. What we're building this thing out of is Foamex. This is 8mm Foamex, lightweight, but real thick and rigid. As well as that, guys, because it's plastic based, when you scratch it hard, you can score it. And that stays permanently in there then. That's permanently in the plastic. So the beauty of that is when you paint it up, so for example, there's going to be breeze blocks around the bottom of the garage. All these are going to be scored and then painted over, and then you put the brown, as in the concrete in the middle, smudge it across, and it should look like a real textured brick. The top is going to be like a tin lath coming down. So what we've got over the back there is a garage door, for example. I'll do some more videos as we go along, guys, and just show this thing as it's being built. But this is what we've got so far. So the measurements for this, if you want to start doing your own, the back panel across the back is 68 centimeters, 4mm by 40 centimeters. The base is 70 centimeters by 40 centimeters. The sides are 40 by 40. And that front top piece is 70 by what you need, whether you want to fit it on the inside or the outside. This RC car garage is going to be going in my office up there. As you can see, I've already got this sort of weird odd setup that I've done a long time ago. Going to do loads of 3D custom printed accessories for inside the garage as well. This thing is going to turn out really nice, guys. Like I say, I'll do some videos as we go along, show you the progress and how to do it. See you in a bit. Right then, guys, so while we're building the garage, we may as well get the 3D printer working for us. We're going to do some of these drive up stands. Print a couple of them off, see how they work out. If they print off well, I'll put the link in the description to the guy who's made them on Thingiverse. Literally, we're only 1% in. But there we go, that's the basics of it. See how it turns out. Right then, guys, so we got one stand done and the other one's 67% done. These stands are really smart, to be honest. I am definitely putting the link in the description below to this guy on Thingiverse. Nice strong stand as well. Really strong. Definitely going to be able to put the cars on them, guys. Yeah! We are in the progress so far then, guys. We have got the bricks done. We've got the tin sheeting done on all the panels. Like I say, this has been impressed on there as well. So what you do is get a nice sharp piece of plastic, like a plastic blade, but not a blade, and just run it down the side of a ruler. And that actually puts marks into the plastic. Looks really good, guys. Soon we're about to get this thing stuck together and get some paint on it. Okay then, guys, so we have 2 car ramps. Looking good. Printer's on, so I may as well make a fire extinguisher. Obviously it's going to need painting because it's blue. I ain't got no red filament at the moment, but that is looking good. Right then, guys, so originally tried to do a painted floor. Painted floor didn't work out too well, and then I realised, hang on, I've got rolls of vinyl upstairs. This is sign writing vinyl, so you get the polished floor like in the workshops. That looks really smart, guys. Really nice. I'm well happy with the way that came out. Update on the panels. So this is currently going to be the back panel. So we've got the brickwork done with all the brick effects. The top, we've just got to put the lines into that, so for the tin board. It's going to come out really nice, guys. Yeah! We've got our scale accessories going. We've even done a battery as well. A little battery for on the side on the bench. We've also got on there right now a fuel jerry can. Guys, loving all these little accessories at the moment. I say just keep plugging these in between working on the big project behind me. We're just about to glue it all up, so we'll get that on video as well. Let's go for it. And guys, so we're going to do some gluing. Let's glue this thing together. We can reinforce the edges and the backs later on, but I think just to get this thing together into one piece, we're going to need to glue it. So go for this Loctite super glue. It's like a gel concentrate. It gives you a bit more time to glue it. It ain't going to run off everywhere. Let's do this. So you're going to open it up. You want to run a nice bead of glue in a straight line. Try and keep it in the middle. Right to the edge. Put the cap back on. Stops. You're going to marry this up carefully. You don't get many chances, to be honest. Marry it up with one corner. Marry it up with the other. And then you want to just gently apply a little bit of pressure from the top. Make sure it all looks squared from the back. If it ain't too square, it'll square itself up, guys. This is just the first wall, and then we can go around it all to reinforce it in a bit. So we'll let that dry and come back to you with the other wall. And guys, so this wall's on, as you can see, standing up on its own. Literally just one bead of glue. We're going to run a nice big long bead across there, and then we'll try and marry up that big back piece. Wish me luck. And so I've got our next beads of glue on there. One's across this back piece and one's up this side. This is going to be tough, but just try and do it. Just carefully, as close as you can without dropping it on, and then just commit. Put them sides on, put the back piece on, nice and straight. Do the press down, and then just hold it in place, guys, and it should all stick together. Should come back to you in a sec. And then so for the final piece, bead of glue along here, and on the bases of these two. We don't need one all the way along this one this time. So again, we're going to carefully marry it up. Carefully. And then drop this piece in over here. Push this one in as well. And press down. And wait. Have it then, guys, another 3D print coming off the printer. Fresh off the hotbed. Let's have a look at this. Oh, it's stuck down well. Oh yeah! 20 litres. Oh, the backside ain't that great. I ain't happy with that. Bit of filling, bit of sanding on that, I think. Otherwise, that's a nice little jerry can. Yeah! Right then, there you go. Stage 1 complete. We have got a shell. This thing, guys, I'm really happy with the way it's turned out. The effects on the wall look absolutely fantastic. And then that lath going up as well. I might leave that white. Got to get some pictures on the go. We're going to put a second mezzanine flooring across here with lighting underneath and stairs down the back. This thing's looking really nice, guys. That painted gloss floor as well looks really good. That's just a sheet vinyl, like I said previously. We've got the garage door on the back. This all peels off, so it's all going to be nice and new on the outside. Check that out, guys, from at the back. How realistic does that look as a garage? I'm loving it, guys. That looks absolutely fantastic. We got all the scale accessories as well. Jerry can, battery, fire extinguisher, and these. I am really happy with the way these turned out. Really, really, really nice. That's how they came off the printer, just like that. We'll have all tyre holder accessories on the back as well. This thing is just going to move and move and move. Keep adding to it and adding to it, like I say, with all the lights on. We are going to fit some bars across the top to support this front piece. This thing is absolutely solid though, as you can see. Like I say, these supports that go across the top, we'll have LED lights underneath, and then that'll light up the whole garage, so we should get some brilliant Instagram shots on there. By the way, guys, go and add me on Instagram, RC Workshop, just the same. What you'll do is on there, you'll see all preview content before it goes on the channel. You'll see it on there, so it's worth popping over. So as always, guys, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, guys. It really does help me out. And I'll see you on the next one. See ya.